I think I've been to a few events of Copperberg, and I confirm what I saw the other times. I think I really like the format. It's extremely efficient, I think, extremely insightful. It's a pleasure to be here. It works very well. There's a good exchange on practices, on everything that we can exchange, of course, in full compliance. There's no discussion there. But it works very well. There's a good cooperation in both days, I would say, of the event. So that's really nice. It's nice to see people that were at previous events coming in and bringing new stories, what worked and what didn't over time. So I'm really happy that I came. I'm really, thankful to Copperberg for inviting.
I like the roundtable discussions, so I think people were super active and engaged. The moderators were good at facilitating it, and I took a lot of notes, so it also gave me something to take home.
Oh, I love those brainstorming sessions. You could meet a lot more people, and at the same time, those are really like thought-provocative questions, and that I could reflect a lot and learn a lot from the real-life experience from other companies too, and also know that we shared similar challenges that help us to get a peace of mind on like, okay, we're on the right track of what we are doing too.
Very good, especially the engagement with the different stakeholders around the table. So we have a lot of engagement, a lot of discussion. The timing was even almost too short to expand the discussion, so really good.
I like this event because it's short and sweet. It's one day. It's very well organized. It starts on time. It's tick, tick, tick. Everything from the roundtable sessions to the speakers just go exactly to schedule. For us, it's a great event. We get to meet 50 people, all in our space, all pricing people, and we're really, just happy to have them know who we are and understand that we care about this event and we care about the pricing. And Kath, our Chief Marketing Officer, did a presentation, and I thought it went very well, and people came and gave us good feedback as well. So I really like this event because it's short, sweet, and goes off like a clock.
I really enjoyed it. I really like the format of presentations interspersed with roundtable discussions. I think it makes for a lot of energy to continue throughout the day rather than just listening to presentations all day. So I really enjoy the format and talking to pricing peers and finding out what's going on in their world.
I think one of the key takeaways for me was that it's 2025 and pricing is not just a function for sales support anymore. It has relevance really cross-organization, and that includes especially cross-organization leadership as well.
The event itself was well organized as always, and we've detected key topics which are state of mind. It's about volatility in the market. People have to react to this volatility price-wise and be ahead of the curves in some situations. This is very challenging. Another big topic, and it's always important, is AI for sure. And if it comes to AI, it's about so many aspects. You need transparency to have the right communication within organizations, and this is essential. No one wants a mathematical black box.
I think at this event today, I must say that the team and also the participants were next level this time. Congratulations to you that you actually attracted a lot of different people and high-skilled people. So I think the discussions around the table were different. It was a lot more interaction and people were taking notes and going after the roundtables, they were talking further. And it was easier for me today in the way that there was a keynote. Instead of using the question I thought about before, I just took the keynote. So basically now you listen to what you have learnings and thoughts about the keynote. I just took the reflections of the keynote and then build it upon that. So I think it was fantastic for the team to actually listen to the keynote, debrief the learnings, and then take the next spin on it. So I think it worked perfectly today.